Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Revolut Fractional Shares. This tutorial will walk you through the process of buying and owning fractional shares using the Revolut app. First, it is essential to understand what fractional shares are. Fractional shares allow you to buy a portion of a share, rather than the whole thing. This makes it more accessible to invest in companies with high share prices. To get started, you need to download the Revolut app and create an account. Once you have an account, you need to apply for a Revolut trading account, which is subject to approval. After your account is approved, you can start buying fractional shares. The process is straightforward. You simply search for the company you want to invest in, choose the amount you want to invest, and confirm the transaction. It is crucial to understand the fees associated with buying and selling fractional shares on Revolut. The app charges a small commission on each transaction, and there may be other fees such as currency conversion fees. When buying fractional shares, it is essential to have a solid understanding of the company you are investing in. You should research the company's financials, products, and services, as well as the overall market trends. It is also important to diversify your portfolio by investing in different companies and industries. This will help you spread risk and increase potential returns. Another key concept to understand is the difference between market order and limit order. A market order is an order to buy or sell a share at the current market price, while a limit order is an order to buy or sell a share at a specific price. In conclusion, buying fractional shares on Revolut is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. It is essential to understand the fees, risks, and benefits associated with fractional shares, as well as the importance of diversifying your portfolio and researching the companies you invest in. By following these steps and best practices, you can start investing in fractional shares on Revolut and take control of your financial future. Remember to always do your research, set a budget, and never invest more than you can afford to lose.